Hello, and as promised, this is the second video, and what I'm going to do in this video is explain what work is required and what for the very first week of class. So again, look under week 1, the modules beginning May 17th, and it will give you an overview of the assignments that you're expected to do this week. And basically, the first thing, very simple, student information. This is just if you could give me a cell number or the best email to reach you, all you need to do is just post that, and that's just worth 1 point. This will only be used in an emergency, so because sometimes CCP emails are down and I may need to contact you. It's in the very rare sort of occasion. So that's a very simple sort of like first thing to do. In addition, I have an assignment relating to the course protocol, and all again you need to say is with this that you've read the course protocol and you agree to it. This is basically found here. So you read it and then you post to say that you have read this agreement. Okay? The next thing, very simple. It's a very simple introductory discussion, and this discussion is a way to just introduce yourself. It doesn't have to be that long, and there is no right or wrong answer. I just want to find out and you find about you and what you're interested in and sort of why you're doing this class. Also, you can find out about your classmates. It's very difficult in an online environment to understand who you're talking to, who you're discussing some of the ideas with, where people are coming from. So this is just a good way of getting some background information. Again, it's very, very simple. And then we start to get into the actual topics, and the very first topic in week 1 is what is science. It's giving you a background to science, and there is basically some notes explaining what environmental science is. Okay, so you can read through this, some of the important concepts like sustainability, also some of the issues that we're facing, some of the complexities that we're facing. Okay? What's hot in terms of environmental issues? And I've just given you a simple overview. As we go through the course, we'll get into these things in more detail. Also, there's a couple of videos just to back this up. A video also about science, a video about what is science. There's some notes on when talking about things like the scientific method. What does that mean? Okay? So read through these notes. And then the other assignments that are required, this is when we start to look at topics, is the first one. It's a discussion question. Okay? And you need to make 2 posts. You make an initial post to answer the question at the bottom. How would you describe environmental conservation as a subject? Some say it's not a real science. So in 300 to 400 words, just try to answer that question. What do you think? And I said, again, there's no right or wrong answer, so don't panic. I just want to find out what you think. Okay? So the initial post is on the 19th. That's you answering the question. Then, once you've answered that question, you respond to a couple of classmates. What do you think about their posts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Why? Okay? It's very, very simple. And also, in this week, what I'm putting up, you don't need to do this. This is not due until June the 21st. I give you an overview of the report. This report is a major component of this course. So I set it early on so that you have time to research, to ask me questions. As we go through the course, you'll get more information relating to population, the environment, which will help you to do this report. The report is basically picking a country and then analysing that country in terms of its population, a general background to that country, its environmental problems. And if you read through carefully, what you'll do is a background to the country. You will look at its population over time to see if it's changed. Okay? And then you'll identify its major environmental problems. And then you'll make a conclusion about how you feel population change will affect those environmental problems, or how those environmental problems will affect population change. Okay? So basically, this week, the first week, I don't want you to sort of worry too much about the report. I just want you to be aware that there's a report. Maybe start to think about, what country do I want to do? There will be plenty of opportunities to ask me about this report. There's also an overview video of how to start to approach this report. In addition to that, there is there's a useful link relating to population. And this is from the US Census Bureau. And you can type in your country. Say you were doing Angola. Okay? You can get some information, but you can get it over time, some of that information. You can get some charts relating to your country over time. You can get a population pyramid over time. So a number of different things that you can use. This can be a starting point, some of the facts, some of the basic statistics that you might need. Okay? And basically, this is, like I said, a major component of the course. And it may seem like a lot to do, but if you do a little bit each week and you start to think about it, it'll get easier and easier to do. So, as I said again, what you have is a number of basic sort of like introduction things, plus a what is science discussion post, and you have to post on 2 separate days for that one. So, if you're ever unaware of what you need to do, if you go to your assignments on Canvas, it will give you the dates when things are due. Okay, so look, the first week what we have, introduction, discussion, what is science, okay? But also, you have, this is being given out week 1, report 1, the student information, and this course protocol. If you have, like I said, if you have any problems, go into the modules, go down to general concerns, type in a question, I'll answer it. Okay? In addition to that, I am on Canvas chat Monday to Thursday. I will sit here. If you type your question there, I will respond to you live between 10 and 11 every day. So I hope this course is enjoyable for you. I hope it is what you expected.